Supriya. I completed my graduation in KNS Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science Engineering and passed out in the year of 2023. One of my friends suggested me to join Jspiders, and I have joined in the month of June, and it helped me a lot to crack my interview. And please do attend all the presentation classes and attend grooming classes, give mocks and all. And I thank my faculties who taught me Python, Navya ma'am, and SQL taught by Chandralekha ma'am, and web technology taught by Subramani sir. I thank them. I have learned lot of things by joining Pyspiders. Thank you all the faculties and HRs.